Desserts and More Sarsangan Super Series Cricket 2024. Dr. Sagar Sargaonkar inaugurated the 6th edition of Desserts and More Sarsangan T20 Cricket Series at Arlem Cricket Ground. Sarsangan Super Series commenced from January 14 with each of 8 teams playing the other teams in a round-robin format in white leather ball T20 cricket matches with top 4 making to the knockouts. A total of 8 teams, namely Estelo Legends, Salsette Stallions, Delight Priority Titan, Mapsa Dream Crushers, Panjim Powerplay, MLT PDK Kings, and Ultracon Madgaon Royals featured in the Super Series cricket. A total of 225 players were a part of this series across Goa. A total of 32 matches, 7 league matches each, IPL-style qualifiers and eliminators were held at Alem Ground Margao. Ultracon Madgaon Royals, MLT PDK Kings, Panjim Powerplay and Delight Titans made it to the qualifiers. Panjim Powerplay played against MLT PDK Kings in the finals which were held on 28th of April. Panjim Powerplay won the toss and elected to field first to use the overcast conditions at Alem. After a blistering start, MLT were left struggling with 64 for 7 wickets in 13 overs before Gaurav Gaitonde and Animesh Prabhugaonkar scored 37 and 31 respectively to give MLT a score of 132 for 8 wickets to defend. Powerplay lost an early wicket and capitalized on drop catches to chase the target with 6.3 overs to spare. Samar Dubashi was declared the man of the match for his splendid all-round performance. Panjim Powerplay team owned by Harshvardhan Sinai Bhatkuri were crowned champions of Deserts and More Sarsangan Super Series 2024. MLT PDK team owned by Rahul Dhon and Siddesh Sinai Amonkar were first runners-up, and Ultracon Madgaon Royal team owned by Ashish Pai Dukre and Damodar Pai Patnekar were second runners-up. Samar Dubashi of Panjim Powerplay became player of tournament with 338 runs and 8 wickets. Damodar Pai Patnekar of Madgaon Royals, batsman of the tournament with 338 runs. Shonit Savardekar of Madgaon Royals, bowler of tournament with 13 wickets. Lakshmikant Kurade of Panjim Powerplay, wicketkeeper of the tournament with 7 dismissals. And Viraj Puranik of MLT PDK Kings, best fielder of the tournament.